Yes, guys, welcome back, guys. Mama Joan, no same way, you know. Papa, you know when Papa are in the place, it's a different thing. But anyways, here we go today, you know. Mama Joan out, you know, Valentine Day. So I try bring up a little surprise thing because Mama Joan, I'm alive, you know. Because I come from way back then, you know, 40 years, way back where I just meet Mama Joan and all. I'm an heart, I'm a soul and everything. Mama Joan, today I am surprising Mama Joan. For sure I say I can be as loving as anybody can be. And at the same time I assure how much me appreciate her being in my life, being the best thing in my life. She's everything in my life. She's the only thing in my life. And you know what? She's all I want in my life at this stage, you know. So guys, get yourself together, you know, because I'm going to try for sure the whole I know you what I say about it. I want for sure everything that I want in our means. So I cook up a little quick meal, nothing too fancy, nothing too, you know, just something nice where for sure I say it's not about the big thing. Sometimes the small thing show you more love more than the big thing. My Mama Joan there for about 50 years, you know, because we are 60 of them. And it's 50 years or something where expand, it never get weak, never bubble down. It's just like, it just get stronger and stronger. And it's like, as I say, I don't even know how to show or how to express in words how much I love my Mama Joan. And for all the time with me and she spent 50 odd years together, it's like I don't feel nothing less than the day before. It's always like a bigger joy than the day before. So stay with me, guys, and we're going to go through Valentine days with Mama Joan. Try it, I'm going to try. Because you know, it'll be a big task for sure, Mama Joan, for the type of person where she's, because Mama Joan is the best person in the world, you know. Well, me can't say so, because my wife. So guys, stay tuned. I have science. You don't know science, stay ready. Anytime you want like a problem for work out, I just call science. So I have science now going to help me out with. Because she have the little family in touch and she know the little what grandma need and what grandma love. So I get science to help me set up everything and buy up some balloon and things and, you know, do things just to make the thing look good and Mama Joan feel the love in her heart where she deserves, even though I know I can't show her the fullness, but as much as I can show her. Okay guys, these are the balloons we find, say, you know, through the art and thing, and Mama Joan on my art, so I get them ones that she said we can make she look good. There are some little red ones there where me and side, I will sort them out and set up a little thing here I have surround this table here, you know, just to make the place look good and try my best to show Mama Joan how much me appreciate all of the love and all of everything. And me I'll get a shave, come on look good too, you know, come on Mama Joan can look at me like say, oh, we go with like my craft. No, me I look good, me I go shave and look handsome, even though it's hard, and cook up some food, let me know say she enjoyed. Because them say we wait to a man's artistry in stomach, you know. You know, already, you know, the way to a woman's heart is not through her stomach, you know, because a woman be different from man, you know. A way to a woman's heart is money, jewelry, and them nice things. But see, Mama Joan, she's so humble and so easygoing, and she don't even care about them things there. So, me cook like a chicken, you know, one of the cheapest meat, them chicken. Yes, that is how humble she is. We can't get her chicken, we don't have to cook no steak or no lobster. And Mama Joan take it to heart and love me same way. As I said, today is a busy day for me now because I have to go and shave and get myself sort out and things, but what I season up, I try to do as much as I can do. I season up my chicken. Me nice, you see? Lord, I sorry, I can't smell it. But guys, I want my rice, not take me around with them. See, I have my rice I cook, and I have my little Mama Joan love her, little pretty plate, even though I'm not really into it, but Mama Joan is my life, so I have to make sure say she right. I have olive in, I don't really love the olive in, but you see, Mama Joan love her olive in, so I set up the olive with the vegetable and get a little thing with my chicken and my rice. Okay guys, as I said, I'll take a quick shave, so I the shaver and you know, make the face look good, because you know, Valentine Day and your face look shabby, you know. You surprise your wife, you know, and she's a different woman, it's me. So, I'll give a quick shave, big shave, come shave with you. Okay guys, get a clean up shave. What I'm going to do now, I'm trying to see if I can. Chicken look good. I'm trying to see if I can do some cooking. And then, as I say, time I run out for me, you know. So, yeah, cook the chicken now. And I shave. I'm going to be here and get myself sorted out. And come right back. But I'm going to turn down the stove a little bit so it not burn up the food. So walk with me. Alright. Now I have 2 outfits. I want everything right from my mind. So I have this one, just calm and nice. But then I have this one now where more look like a Valentine looks, you know. So, which one you think? Talk to me. I hear you, sir. This one. Okay. It will go work with. Alright? So I'll get myself sorted out now, put on some clothes, and go upstairs, go wait for Mama Joan because she don't know nothing about this, you know. I have to go direct her and keep her out of the kitchen. So, alright, sir. I can't depend on me final touch, you know me. Can I finish cook up the chicken and stuff? So what I do now, I try to prepare the table so it look nice, you know. So I'm going to take some of them balloons, you know, and I put them which part. Them kind of showing in the background. So I kind of put some of them here, so I make this bad boy hold them down, stuff him out in it, and then we can have all them ones, you know. We just tie them up and put them on the leg here, just to make it look good. You know, Papa, we are trying to think. Because Mama Joan had to please still, you know, but me a try to think. Okay, guys, so that look good, eh? I hear you. So, only thing we should have do with the balloon them now. They just throw them in the background. Make them look like them doing something and them not doing nothing. Yes. Yes. Alright guys, so you know, set up my table here now with my tablecloth and my roses, whatever them calls them. So guys, time I run for me, you know, because I know Mama Joan, she soon come. So I try to make everything look the best I can. Them thing here, Mama Joan, you know, she master them thing here, you know. But sure she will do it for. Can't depend on Mama Joan for do it, you know. Papa, you me do. Me truly glad me just to make them look like say them a do something too, and then I do nothing. But them look good. Everything kind of sort out, you know. I just level out the rose pedal them on this. I bring the food. I try my best, you know, because my wife is such a good woman. She deserves more, but this is how I can afford. And as I say, very humble. So whatever she get, she will appreciate and be happy. So guys, I sort out the food, put it on my table, because I don't want you to come catch me I do not work in the morning. When she come, she know say, I just time for eat. I go just put the last rice on this bad boy. Mama Joan, just talk to her. She said she not too far. She literally next door. So you know, by the time I finish up everything, she supposed to go. And if you guys don't notice me, you know, me not ramp with them, you know. Jamaican thing, called Valentine Day, you know. I'm going right back to him, just meet her, you know, down at Jamaica, you know. I mix it with the Canadian food, you know. So we can't do heritage, but we still into Canadian thing. I'm back in my cola champagne, you know, what kind of it go 50 years ago, them thing I drink at Jamaica, you know. And I bring it and I embrace it with some Canadian style. Olive and them thing there, you know, we don't have olive and eat them something at Jamaica. So we have the Jamaican thing with the Canadian combined, because we are Canadian Jamaican or Jamaican Canadian. We're not leaving out with Jamaica, we're not giving up with Canadian either. Alright guys, so Mama Joan supposed to be close by. So, on like my table? Oh, I don't hear about that talk nothing about Papa Joan table. Oh, it look wicked for Mama Joan. Oh, guys, I'm like, oh. But it's alright, I'm going to forgive you today because you know what? Today is a day of love. Because it's Valentine Day. So it's just love we are dealing with. Now go worry about me eating. Good guys? Alright, sir. Shut the door. Happy Valentine's, honey.
Are you dressed up, so?
No, I'm going here. I have everything I want at home. I have you and I have a Valentine surprise for you inside the room there. So what I need you to do is go straight upstairs and put out this so me look pretty. I get as pretty as me because I have a Valentine surprise for you. Anyways.
Really, Ari? Ari?
Happy Valentine's, honey.
You really have a Valentine's Day surprise?
Honey, you're the best in the world, you know.
Okay.
And you're the best thing me have in my life, you know. So
For real?
then you have my Valentine, honey.
Okay, alright.
Go and go get yourself pretty and look good.
Okay.
I'll come back.
Alright, sir.
Alright, honey. Yes. I only hope you appreciate what I'm doing, honey, because I'm trying.
Lord have mercy.
I know. Guys, just in time, you know, because I tell you, the chicken just done. I'm just set up the table. I'm right away, Mama Joan walk through the door. So, I make sure go get herself sorted out and come back. And I just go away to that. I never had rose, I don't want chocolate and everything. They take me around with her this Valentine. Oh, I get everything. Why? Why, honey?
Sexy.
What?
I have to sink in the gut, you know.
No, we not care what you have to do for you, so it's okay.
You like me thing? You like me shirt?
Yes.
Okay.
Well, honey, why you're the sexiest Valentine me ever see for a good wife. What? Them the little young people when me see them not look hot like you, honey.
Well, child, we gotta do it. We gotta do it. You know. Happy Valentine, honey.
Oh, I am the happiest Valentine in the world, honey.
Okay.
Yes.
So.
Come, honey. I need to give you a surprise.
Okay.
Here. I want you to close your eyes, honey. Close your eyes.
Close my eyes?
Yes,
Okay.
because I don't want you to see nothing. I will guide you. I've trust
Try to my foot and lick me head, you know. You know I don't trust you.
I guide you. You have to trust me today. Lift up your foot over the wall there.
Okay.
Thank you, honey. Walk straight. Walk straight, honey. Okay. Stand up right there, honey. And turn. Don't open your eye till I tell you to open it. After I count to 3, honey,
Yeah.
open your eyes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3. Happy Valentine!
Oh my
honey.
gosh!
Yes!
You buy me flowers
Honey, as me
and
say,
chocolate?
this year you're getting everything.
Oh my God!
Rose pedal, cooking you something today, honey. Honey, the amount of Valentine.
You did all of this? No.
The amount of Valentine that you give me, honey. This is just crumbs.
This is so nice.
Thank you very much. I'm glad you appreciate it.
So romantic.
I know, honey.
So we're gonna go to do this.
I'm just gonna ask, is that? You think when I put out all of this and nothing but that?
Okay.
That was the first thing on my mind.
Happy Valentine's, sweetheart.
Thank you,
Oh God, I love you. I love you, and I appreciate it.
I love you too, honey. Anyways, I don't want you to go too far.
You make me have dinner?
Yes, honey. Then you name Mama John, man.
What the fuck?
Sit here, don't give me them here, honey. Sit down, honey. Put them here over here, so.
Okay.
Sit. Oh my God, honey. Right.
Oh my God, my husband, I can honestly say you did good.
I did good, eh?
You did
You
wonderful.
worked every cent of it and every minute, honey. You deserve it.
Wow.
Because he's a good woman. Mama John is the best man in the world, you know, my youth.
Cola champagne?
Honey, then me could have think me would have come here Canada dry. Jamaican. You know, farm, you have to fly for get them here.
You fly go what?
Then home you get Jamaican. Canada.
Oh my God.
What do you mean, honey? Don't even give you champagne.
Cola champagne.
What?
So just this is the champagne that we are
That's
going to
the
drink and
champagne.
celebrate
Later when time come for the other thing. Then we work with the
the champagne. Okay.
Yes.
Anyway, happy Valentine's Day again, and thank you very much, sweetheart.
You're welcome. It's like chocolate.
Harry, use a mess. Okay, so let me dig into this little food here. Oh my God, thank you, sweetheart.
Me couldn't do when we want to do because the whole preparation never make. But me say me could have just.
Well, me kind of appreciate it. Sort out and do some work by yourself.
Okay, honey. Because you go on the road. Because when me get up on me, you say you go on the road and messy. But you know, say I should have sort out something for her before she come back. I'm just jump around and do this. But
well, baby, you absolutely do yourself. You do good.
Thank you, honey.
You do good. Food is absolutely delicious. The chicken is nice. How do you say you couldn't cook chicken?
On the more time, I just say them things I can't want you.
Because you don't want it, because you're so lazy.
No, it's not about lazy.
It's about what then?
I just love your flavor on it.
Well, I can't say.
So,
It is really good.
yeah?
The man get cola champagne. May I tell you? We drink.
I'm glad you
The
appreciate it, honey. Time to make no. Save me, girl.
We appreciate it 100%, sweetheart. So, you're never too old, and you're never too young to celebrate Valentine's Day.
So, man. Our love is that thing we don't go nowhere, mommy.
But I'm looking for old man. Make me a nice Valentine's Day dinner.
Honey, you can see the smile and the look on your face, so you appreciate it, honey. And that's my greatest joy. You know, say, you appreciate it and they make you good. You know? I love that. Because you always do it for me, you know. I took this smile and I said, you know what? Tell you something special for Mama Joan today. Cook something for her, you know? So. Proud of myself too, honey.
And I am proud of you.
Slap me on my back.
Slap on your back. You know what it's nice when you can't stop yourself.
What do you mean, man?
Well, dinner was super. Dinner was great. We have a nice Valentine dinner, guys. And you know, it's been a while. We've been together. I was 17, Papa Ari 20 or 21, one about them time there. So it's almost 50 years or close to 50 years since we've been together. And you know what? We enjoy every flipping minute of it. You understand? So this is how life is. Sometimes you find your soulmate. Him is my soulmate.
True.
And
she's the only love I ever know.
we love each other. We've been together for years, and that's it. We're not. Nobody now gonna win.
True. No, too late.
Anybody are gonna win now, they probably get rid of him somewhere down the line. You know.
You get rid of him in the basement. That's the only place you get rid of him.
You never know.
And you go the upstairs, you're upstairs. 12 o'clock in the
You know what them said till they do us part? Well, this is it.
True.
Me and him. You know.
I don't see nothing else. No better no day. No better no day, no.
Same for me. So anyway, guys, as I said, happy Valentine's to all of the young people, the old people them. Cause Valentine Day is a day for love, joy, and you know, they do later on, you know, if you don't want to, but you know, that's how it goes. But anyway, guys, Papa Harry come to him and I'm surprised what him have for me, and I guess me and him will see you guys in the next video. So happy Valentine's Day, guys.
Happy Valentine's to everybody. And I'm not a Valentine person like that, but I feel so good being Mama Joan Valentine today, and whatever I did, make it even feel so special.
Yes.
You know?
And it was well worth it.
Yeah.
And I enjoyed the meal that he made for me.
Yes. That made my Valentine Day the best. Oh God. I know.
Guys, trust me, you can't be too old for have love, yeah?
This love just grow every day.
Yeah.
Worse and worse and worse. Just love. Trust me.